Okay, I'll move on to the next project. I'm calling the project Lif214, please.
Here, hello,
Hello.
hello. Wait a minute, sir. Can you see, sir?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Can
Okay,
you please start?
okay, I will start it. So, hello, sir. My name is Nadia Ursula. I am from Stella Dusewan Senior High School, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. I will present about my research, electric water for life. So, most of the organs of the human body needs water. So water we drink will be processed in the digestive tracts, which then circulate throughout the body and eventually will end up in the excretory system. Electrolysis of water is the decomposition wherein water compound H or H2O becomes hydrogen and oxygen gases using current electricity to the water. Drinking ionized water quickly causes reactions in the body. For this background, the research questions are: first, how does electrical energy affect the quality of drinking water using the electrolysis method? And how the effect of water from the electrolysis process on human life? So, this purpose of this research is that to answer our research questions. So, the method as in this research is a quantitative method, but based on a laboratory, and a qualitative method based on testing of respondents. For research variable, I will change my camera first. So can you see, sir?
Yeah.
For independent variable is that the variation of water source. They are well boiled water, mineral water, river osmosis water, and rainwater. For dependent variable is that water quality parameters. They are TDS, conductivity, pH, ORP, and DO. For control variable is that electron current setup and volume of water. So for research procedures is that first, measure water quality before processing. Second, do the electrolysis process with adjustable DC voltage generator for adjustment electron currents. And then observe the temperature and electrical characteristic of the water electrolysis process. And then measure the water quality for the results of the electrolysis process. And last, qualitative testing by consuming water according to the reference quantitative research based on respondents' empirical experience. So I will change my camera again. Okay. So this is a result of quantitative research. This is a ORP graph. The ORP of all types of water is negative. And then this is a TDS. The TDS of well-boiled water and mineral water is more than 100 ppm, while RO water and rainwater is still below 50 ppm. And then conductivity. The value of conductivity are multiples of 2 TDS value. And then this is a pH of all types of water. For the pH of all of type of water for drinking water increased from 7 to 8 until 9. And then this is a DO. The DO of all types of water approximately 14 milligrams per liter. This is an experimental average quantitative results. According to World Health Organization, one of the requirements for ideal drinking water is water that contains a small amount of minerals. Sufficient minerals are obtained from fruit. This means that the water that is consumed doesn't need to contain a lot of minerals. The water in the body terminally functions as a solvent and carrier for the elements needed by the body cells. A negative ORP indicates that solvent has higher antioxidants. The result therefore electrolysis water is more antioxidants compared to non-electrolyzed water. Therefore, the water that the respondent will consume is water which has a low TDS and negative RT. So, this is a result of qualitative research. This is a criteria of drinking water based on the requirement of the World Health Organization. If viewed from the side of the effluents, the result of the electrolysis process shows that criteria of rainwater and RO water is in accordance with the requirements of WHO. But well-boiled water and mineral water is not clear after processing. So the well-boiled water is not safe for consumption, and then for mineral water, RO water, and rainwater is safe for consumption. This is a respondent experimental qualitative results. Most of them state that the electrolysis water tastes fresher, is lighter, and a little bitter than non-electrolyzed water. Therefore, from the qualitative data and qualitative data obtained by empirical experience of respondents, this research can be developed by observing metabolism parameters such as sweets, or urines, feces, and many more. Currently, because it takes a long time and several control variables, the qualitative method have not been as metabolism parameters. So, based on this research, it can be concluded that electrolysis of drinking water with certain electrical parameter settings results in a different water quality than before. And then, if consumed regularly, drinking water that is influenced by electrical energy can affect of human life in the long term. Electrolyzed water is good for the human body's metabolic process. And then for further research on electrolyzed water for life is to examine in more detail how electrolyzed water with control electrical parameters plays a role in body metabolism. And then for acidic water, it can be as a disinfectant or wound cleanser. In the future, this acidic water can be developed into a project. So this is my research. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you for your presentation and your precision of the information. So I would like to pose a questions. What about the effects of your electric water in the human being, in the body of the human being?
Okay, so I will back to my slide. Okay, so this is result of qualitative research. It is by in laboratory and can be affected from electrical parameters. So this can you see like after processing the TDS are higher than before. Now it's because change of solution resistance. So if the temperature is high, the resistance of solution is go too low. So you can see after processing is the quality of water is changed from before. And then for human life, wait, I will can I say you about first therefore from the qualitative data and quantitative data by empirical experience of respondent, this research can be developed by observing metabolism parameters such sweets, urine, and feces. But it takes a long time and several control variables to qualitative method and haven't not been as metabolism parameter. So at the result of qualitative research is choose the respondents said it tastes fresher, is lighter, and a little bitter than non-electrolyzed water.
Okay, thank you, and good luck for the iFEST 21.
Thank you, sir.